Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready. Is this menu good?
Yes, very good. What do you recommend?
Soup of the day.
Is the soup good?
Yes, very delicious.
How much is it?
It is $7.
Is that cheap?
Yes, very cheap.
Do you have avocado toast?
Yes, we do.
How much is it?
It is $13.
Is it fresh?
Yes, always fresh.
Do you have a burger?
Yes, veggie burger.
How much is it?
It is $16.
Is it tasty?
Yes, very tasty.
Is this cafe open daily?
Yes, open every day.
What time do you open?
We open at 8.
What time do you close?
We close at 10.
Is there a window seat?
Yes, right over there.
Is it a nice view?
Yes, very nice.
Do you have water?
Yes, on your table.
Is the water free?
Yes, always free.
Can I have a menu?
Yes, here you go.
Is the menu big?
Yes, many choices.
Do you have soup today?
Yes, soup of the day.
What soup is it?
It is tomato soup.
Is it hot?
Yes, very hot.
Do you like avocado?
Yes, I love it.
Is avocado toast popular?
Yes, very popular.
Is it healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you have salads?
Yes, many salads.
Is the salad fresh?
Yes, always fresh.
Do you have pasta?
Yes, we do.
Is pasta good here?
Yes, very good.
Do you have dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake.
Is the cake good?
Yes, very delicious.
How much is cake?
Just $5.
Can I order now?
Yes, of course. What would you like?
Avocado toast, please.
Anything else?
Just water, please. Is the service fast?
Yes, very fast.
How long to wait?
About 10 minutes.
Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Do you like this cafe?
Yes, very much.
Is it your first time?
No, I come often.
Is it always good?
Yes, always excellent.
Is the staff friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I do not. Is there a table?
Yes, right this way. Is the table clean?
Yes, very clean.
Do you have candles?
Yes, on every table.
Is it romantic here?
Yes, very cozy.
Do you have plants?
Yes, many green plants.
Is the cafe big?
No, small and cozy.
Is it quiet here?
Yes, very quiet. Can I sit here?
Yes, please sit down. Are the chairs comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you need anything?
Yes, a fork, please.
Here is your fork.
Thank you very much.
Is your food ready?
Yes, coming right now.
Here is your order.
Thank you, looks great. Does it smell good?
Yes, smells amazing.
Is it hot enough?
Yes, perfectly hot. Do you need salt?
No, it is perfect.
Is the food good?
Yes, absolutely delicious.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, very much. Can I get more water?
Yes, of course. Do you want dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake, please.
Is it a big slice?
Yes, very big.
Is it sweet?
Yes, perfectly sweet.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, one coffee, please. Is coffee good here?
Yes, very good.
Can I have the bill?
Yes, one moment, please.
How much is total?
$26 total.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, cards are fine.
Is service included?
No, tip is separate.
Is 10% okay?
Yes, that is great. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. It was great.
Will you come back?
Yes, definitely I will.
Do you recommend this cafe?
Yes, absolutely recommend it.
Is City Bites Cafe good?
Yes, the best cafe.